Is there a fire? What's happening?
Fire! It's my pie!
It's your pie?
It's fun to learn your phonics with Pirate Peter and Mr. Green.
Hello, welcome back to Phonics with Pirate Peter and Mr. Green. Now we're back on the pirate ship today, and Wendy is with us. And there's a very fishy smell.
Yes, I'm cooking.
You're cooking
Yes, a really big fish pie.
a pie?
Yes, eel, squid and haddock pie.
Wow, that would make sense.
But we have to be quick
Why do we have to be quick?
because it's in the oven and I don't want it to burn.
Alright, well we'll make sure it doesn't burn. Now what sound are we learning today?
Today we're learning a trigraph.
A trigraph. Which one?
The trigraph ire,
The trigraph ire.
made by the letters I-R-E.
That's right. Have you got anything to show the children which features the ire trigraph?
Yes, I have.
Off you go then. A bit smelly. I won't tell her that. Okay, what have you got for us? Oh my goodness, Wendy, what have you got?
Get 'em out,
Yes, I'll
get 'em
take it out your mouth. Oh yes, I think I know what this is.
They always get tangled up together.
They do sometimes get tangled up. They are,
Wires.
that's right, wires. And wires has the ire trigraph in it. Right, hang on, what are you doing that for?
My pie. We need to be quick.
All right, we'll try and be quick. Now, have you got anything else which features the ire trigraph?
No, but for this one, I'm going to give you a clue.
You're going to give a clue for the next one. Okay.
It's what you say if you get someone to come and do a job for you.
It's what happens when somebody comes and works for you.
That's right. A grown-up might need to help.
Grown-ups may need to help with this one. Okay, I think I know what the word is. I think it's when you hire somebody to come and work for you or do a job.
And if we hired you on the ship, you'd be terrible.
I would be terrible on the ship.
Yes, if we hired you.
If you hired me, why would I be terrible?
Because you don't like tall heights.
That's right, I don't like heights.
You don't like it when the waves hit the ship and you get wet.
Yes, when the waves hit the ship, I don't like that.
And you get seasick all the time.
Yes, I get Right, let's not carry on anymore, okay?
And you don't like eel sandwiches.
Right, I said we can stop it.
And you don't like fighting with other
Right,
pirates.
I know. Right, just stop. Stop it. Okay, now, have you got Pirate Peter's treasure box, which features an ire word?
Yes, I have.
Right, off you go and get it then. I don't think I'll be that bad a pirate, really. Or maybe I would. I don't know. Right, Wendy, what's the clue today?
It's what you shout when you light and set off the cannons.
It's what you say before you light and set off the cannon. Ooh, that's a good one. I think I know what it is. Let's pause the video now and see if the children can guess. We're back. All right, Wendy, open up the treasure box. Let's see if they've guessed what the word
Just getting
is. Oh, yes, of course. Yes, I'm going to get it.
Put it off.
Let go. Right. That's right. You say fire, and then you set the cannon off. That's right. Hang on. I can smell something burn. I can see smoke. I can see smoke.
Oh no! Oh no! Fire!
Is there a fire? What's happening?
Fire! It's my pie!
It's your pie? It is. We need to go and put it out.
Pirate Peter!
He's not going to come and help us.
Fire! Help! Fire! Fire! Fire!
Right, stop it. I'll help you. Right, we need to say bye to the children. Right, stop saying fire. I know there's a fire. There's smoke everywhere. We need to go and put it out. Right, we'll see you later. Bye.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
It's fun to learn your phonics with